Ayan. Oh, naiwan po yung mga buto. Hello, Kaumami. Isang prutas na naman po ang ating imumukbang for today. At alam kong maraming nakakaalam na nito dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas. Dahil dyan ko nga po laging napapanood at lagi ako nakakatakam. At first time nga po naming makatikim doon sa aming binilhan kahapon. Dahil meron silang pinatikim sa amin and they fry it na, Daddy. They fry it and it's so crispy, super delicious kapag luto siya pala, pati yung buto niya. At bumili nga po kami ng buo na hilaw pa para matikman naman natin ng hilaw at ma-experience natin yung pagbubukas. Dahil yung mga napapanood ko, napakaganda ng pagkakabukas nila at subukan natin kung ganun din ito. Let's try it.
Okay.
We're just gonna cut like this na. Only half na. Not so deep, chama.
Try.
First time na naman. First time buksan at kainin ng hilaw.
Okay.
And let's check first.
Show.
Ayan. Kay Chur. Sana nakikita niyo po. Ganyan po siya. Ay, wow. Hinog siya, Daddy. I thought it's not hinog. Wow. Ang bango. Kaamoy din po ng langka at pero natanggal na siya from the I want to pull this one. Yeah. Because usually they pull this one. Can you pull, Daddy? I will open this. At sumasama yung mga buto. Ganon yung ginagawa ng iba. So, baka hindi pa siya super ripe, no, Daddy? Ayan, Daddy. Ayan. Oh, naiwan po yung mga buto. Pero it's okay. Siguro hindi pa siya ganun kahinog or baka super ripe na siya. Ayan, no? Ang bango, no, Daddy, no? It smells like kanun, langka, and durian. Siyama?
Smellเหมือนขนุน and ทุเรียน
Yeah, mix po yung amoy niya. Okay, ayan. So, nanguha po ako ng mantika para ipahid sa aming kamay dahil malagkit pala siya. Like kanun, no, Daddy? Like jackfruit.
เหมือนเลย
It's like jackfruit. Okay, let's try it. Hindi na ako makapaghinda dahil ang bango.
I will try from this.
Para po siyang durian na langka talaga.
กินเหมือนกับแก๊สเลย
Para daw po yung nag-gas leak. Kasi
หวานมาก
yung texture po niya soft than jackfruit, no?
soft
And it's so sweet.
แต่หวานมาก
And the smell is not so strong like durian.
แต่ว่า stronger than
Stronger than jackfruit.
yes
Diba? And you know what? In the Philippines, we have this in white color. In Thailand, mi mai?
think no
And this is also your first time to eat this, no?
ใช่
We always saw a fruit like this in the market, but we never buy because we don't know how to eat. And yesterday, they fry it nga. Sa mga marami pong ganito dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas, pwede po siyang i-fry. Alam mo yung banana fritters? It's like banana fritters na, Daddy. Ayan, yung natimplang harina butter. Kino-coat nila yung itong langka mismo. And even the seed can eat. Yes, hindi na po siya kailangang balatan like langka. Iko-coat na po nila ng harina mixture or butter with the seed. After ma-fry, ay pwedeng-pwede nang kainin. And we already uploaded a video of that. Kung gusto niyo pong mapanood, you can scroll down and watch it. But fresh, we cannot eat the seed, no?
ไม่ได้
ไม่ได้
fresh แข็ง
matigas siya pag fresh. So, just like kanun, no?
ใช่
Parang langka din po siya. Nakakatuwa. So, how do you call it in Thai?
จำปาดะ
Champada. In the Philippines, I think this is the fruit they call marang. Tama po ba? Marang.
this fruit original from I think Malaysia
From Malaysia.
from Malaysia จำปาดะ they call golden jackfruit
Yeah, golden jackfruit. Yata yung English po niya. I want to try the big one. Ang gaganda nito, oh.
จะวางไว้ตรงนี้นะ
Ang cute niya. Mas cute sa langka.
หวานมาก I think we cannot กินเยอะ
Yeah, yes.
because very sweet
We think we cannot eat like marami.
jackfruit.
Dahil napakatamis. Moderation.
Wow.
Lagi ako natatakam at naiinggit kung ano kaya yung lasa nito. And finally, natikman ko na.
I think the seed we can eat na. Like a
Boil?
steam.
Yeah,
boil or
I will
steam.
boil it later. Parang langka din po. And next time, if we can find this again in the market, let's try to cook the fried. So we
Yeah.
can teach them.
They just use multi-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour and
Multi-purpose flour.
put some sugar, maybe egg, water,
Maybe only egg. No? นิดหน่อย
sesame seed.
แล้วก็ sesame seed.
Yeah, ang sarap po.
Later we try to fry.
Yeah. Pakasarap pala nito.
It's same like เม็ดขนุนเนาะแบบว่า skin very thin อะ
Manipis po siya. Kasi I think if we fry the langka seed, just like yung ginawa po nila dito, I think hindi siya makakagat. Because this one is thinner.
อืม
And can you search if we have the white one here in Thailand so we can try?
โอเค
Yeah, in Philippines we have the white one. And very big. Napakalalaki ng ganito dyan sa atin. And I don't want to eat iyot.
I eat another one.
Baka po katulad ng lansones na bawal kumain ng marami, di ba? Kaya takot akong kumain ng marami dahil marami akong nakain kahapon.
I can feel ทุเรียนด้วย
Yeah, you can feel the texture of durian. Totoo, parang durian po siya, no? Tama na daddy, baka sumakot ulo natin. Kasi first time lang natin kumain. Yeah, and the skin very soft and thin dan langka. At hindi siya matinik. Hindi po matulis yung tinik niya. Balat niya makinis. Ayan. We'll try to steam this or boil and we will merienda later. No, daddy, no?
Right.
Sayang. Can we plant this?
ไม่ได้มาก
So ayan mga kaumami, sana ay natuwa na naman kayo sa panibagong prutas na ating kinain. At kung mayroon pong ganito sa atin, I mean sa inyo, dahil meron nga dyan sa atin ang ganito, ano naman po ang ginagawa nyo para ma-enjoy pa siya sa ibang paraan? Like, pwede din ba ito sa bilo-bilo? Or pina-fry din ba? Katulad ng ikunento ko sa inyo. At kung gusto nyo pong mapanood, scroll nyo nga lang po dahil meron akong uploaded na video ng pinipirito nila dito sa palengke sa Thailand. And kung nagustuhan nyo po ang video, please share. Baka ikaw naman ang susunod na mabigyan ng 1K at 5K naman sa 3 kaumami ang naghihintay, ang mabibigyan sa darating na Pasko. Thank you for watching. Paki-share po. Bye!